Good morning, children. How are you? Class 3rd children. So, yesterday we have completed all these question and answers. On the board I have written, and I hope you have written in your notebooks also, and you are writing in a neat handwriting. If you have written, please send it to me so that I can check whether how you are writing. Okay, children? Yes. Next is think and answer. A chair made from wood is a human made thing. What are the three major differences between a chair and a tree? Children, you have to do this homework. Okay, see, you have to write three differences. I have already given you in the first video what are the difference between the chair and the like living things and non-living things. You have to write chair cannot grow, tree can grow, chair can not breathe, but tree can breathe. Okay, and chair is a non-living thing, but tree is a living thing. And chair cannot also move, but tree also cannot move. And like chair cannot reproduce, but trees can reproduce. Okay, children? And chair need not to take any food, but the tree need food to grow. Okay, children? So this you can write. Okay. So now this is your homework, children. Please write in your notebooks and please tell to me. Okay, I want to see how you can write with your own what you have learned and how you can write. Okay, children. Now we are going into the worksheet, living and non-living thing. Okay, this is there in the page number 65. You can open the page number 65 and try to solve these questions. Okay. Living and non-living. Okay, write living or non-living. Okay, so children, dog is a living thing or non-living? Yes, it is a living thing. So you can write here living. Okay, next. In a neat handwriting you have to write flowers. Yes, flowers also living. Okay, next. Road. Road is a non-living things, and roads are made by human. So that is a non-living things. Okay, table also non-living because it is prepared by humans. Okay, cat living. Yes, so you think cat can move, cat can grow, cat can eat, drink milk. Yes, grass also living because it is a green plant. Okay, buildings are all non-living. Okay, they are non-living things. Here, car is a non-living because the human has made it. Okay, next, tiger can eat flesh. Yes, they are living things. Bicycle is also a non-living. Okay, now birds can fly, it can move, so they are living things. Next, bus is also non-living because bus are human made things and they cannot move from one place to another, but the humans are driving it. Insects living because they can move. Few insects can fly like butterfly and dragonfly and cockroaches, but it was small distance. Human beings, obviously they are living things. Okay, please write in your book. Okay, give one word answers. A small plant grows into a big tree. Is it living or non-living? Yes, it is living thing. It is living thing. Okay, only one word answer. No, that's the reason here we can write one living. Only living we have to write. Okay. You need food to live. Are you living or non-living? Yes. We need food to grow and we are growing. Yes, we are becoming healthy by eating a healthier food. So we are living things. Fish breathe through their gills. Are fish living or non-living? Yes, they are also living thing. Please write all the children. Yes. L-I-V-I-N-G, living things. Okay. L-I-V-I-N-G. Okay, next. Your doll does not breathe. Is it living or non-living? Yes, it is non-living. Okay, you have to write one word answer only. Please write properly. Okay, fill in the blanks. Human made by humans are called human made things. What they are called as human made things. Okay. The sunflower turns towards the sun. Obviously, they are turned towards the sun. Okay, next. Animals get their food from. How the animals get their food from? Plants and animals. Plants or animals. Animals which gives us milk, eggs, okay. And plants, obviously fruits and vegetables. This is the fourth one. Our chest goes up when we breathe in air. Most new plants grow from seeds. Yes, they are growing from seeds. Next. What are living things? Give 3 examples. So, here children, we have already done this one. Okay. You can write from the, yesterday I told you na beta. So, you can write from there only. Okay. So, what are living things? Give 3 examples. Okay. Okay. What are living things? Okay. Shall we write from here only? Yes. Things which have life are living things. Things. Please write, children. Okay. For example, trees, dog, cat, human being. See, I have written 4 examples, right? You can write only 3 examples. Any animal's name also you can write. Okay, birds you can write. Okay, so many are there. Okay, children. Okay, any 3 you can write. Okay. How do animals move? Animals move on their own. Yes, animals move on their own. On their own. Birds fly. Birds fly. Fish swim. Dogs and cats can run. Dogs and cats walk or run. How they are doing? They can doing by this. Okay, children? Just see how much is there in the worksheet too. Okay, children, let us see this also. Worksheet 2, it is there in the page number 66. Okay, you have to open and you have to do. Okay. Give one word answer. A car can run on petrol. Is it living or non-living? Obviously, it is a non-living thing. So, you have to write only non-living. Okay, children. Next. A puppy grows into a dog. Is it living or non-living? It is living thing only. Okay. L-I-V-I-N-G. Living. Okay. Next. When air is filled in a tire, it grows into size. Is the tire living thing or non-living? It is obviously non-living. Because even though it is filled with the air, then also it is non-living. Because It cannot grow by itself, right? Okay, next one is, your cat needs food to live. Is the cat living or non-living? Obviously children, now only we have written now, that is living things. Okay, next. Birds breathe through their lungs. Obviously they are birds, even though they are breathing with their lungs, means they are living. Okay. Movement of a fan shows it is alive. True or false? It is false, because even though it is moving, but it is not a living thing. A human baby grows into adult. Yes, it is true. Animals can live without food. Can animals live without food, children? No, beta. No, they cannot. That is false. All animals have lungs to breathe. No, beta. No, because fishes have gills and insects has what? Insects has what, children? Insects has air holes and fishes have gills. So no, all animals don't have lungs to breathe. Animals can live without? No, false. A human baby goes into adult? Yes, true. A movement of fan shows that it is alive. No, that is wrong. Okay, next. Complete the words human made column. The pairs start with the same letter. Natural. These are the natural things. These are human made things. Okay. Human made, like I will tell you, beta. So these are the natural things. You need not to do anything. Just you have to go with the human made column. Okay. What are the human made column, beta? C-A-R. Car. Okay. Yes. Next one. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Next. P and pen. Next one is fan. F-A-N. Fan. Next one is road. R-O-A-D. R-O-A-D. Okay. I'll tell you how. See. Star, car. It's rhyming words, like same words. Cloud, road. Next is fish. Fish in the water. Ship in the water. And rock, cloud, plant. Okay, you just write it from here. First one is car, that one, next one is ship, pen, and then fan, and then road. Okay, children? Sorry, children, it's the pairs with the name of same letter. Like cloud is there, car is there. Next star is there, ship is there. Next plant is there, pen is there. Next it starts from the fish starts from F. Then fan is starts from F. Rock is natural thing and it starts from R. Even the road is starts from R. Like it is the same word you have to write. Okay, from that you can understand. Okay, children. What are non-living things? Give 3 examples. Okay, children, what are non-living things? Which the things do not have life are called as non-living things. And the examples are buses, buildings, bridges, cars, roads are non-living things. Okay, children? Now, give one example of movement in plants. Okay, like the sunflower turns towards the sun. And when we touch the mimosa plant, it closes its leaves. That is called as movement in plants. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, children, this you have to write in the homework. Okay, this you have to write. This can be homework. Please write it. Okay, tomorrow we will see this. Okay, what are non-living things? Things that do not have life are called as living things. For example, cars and buildings, ship and boat, whatever you can write. Give one example movement in plants. Only one example you have to give. The sunflower turns towards the sun. That is the example for movement in plants. Okay, children? Please do it and send. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.